Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video you will learn and you see how to download sound effects for your video editing. All of this is free, not you don't pay. You should not pay anything. So firstly you go to the first website is mixkit.co. Okay. And when you, so all the links I will write them in the description. So check the description and you will see the links. And we have a gift in the end of the video. So please follow the full video for understanding. So when you go to this website and you choose this one, sound effects, and you will see here a lot of sound effects. So you can download them by click here. For example, like this one, for example, like this one, and it's downloaded. This. Okay. Okay, this is the website. You can find your sound effects here. And there is another website is about you that you, for example, is an AI voice generating. For example, it's 11 level labs. Yeah. So you sign up. It's easy. And when you sign up with Gmail, you will see this feature, and you have in the left side you have a lot of things here. So so if you want to make for example text to speech, there is here a lot of things. It's important. For example, a real person they speak, and for example image to video. But image to video and I think it's on this you should, for example, because the credits that they give is they go fast. But for sound effects or text to speech, I think we can generate a lot of things. Also for sound effects, go to this one, and here, for example, we make the duration as an example. This one, for example, and we make, for example, a man said, for example, what in Saturday. So we generate. Okay, and we wait. It's fast. It's generating fast. Okay, it generates a four case. For example, if you like this one or like this one. For example, I think the first one is very important and very interesting. So let's listen.
What?
Okay.
What?
This one also is good.
What?
Also.
What?
Okay, I think it's good. And you can here download them and use them in your video editing. So this one is good. And there is also for text to speech. This one, for example, if you want to go to ChatGPT and to say to ChatGPT, for example, to give you a script for a video, for example, text, for example, speech, voice styling, you can copy it and paste it here, and you can choose your voice person here. It's a real person. It's a good. For example, I will change this one about the age, because I choose the old man. For example, I will choose the young one for giving me the young person.
Let's just skip this work stuff. It is possible, but takes much longer to reach parts of the Arctic by train, even if flights are required for some of the journey.
And you click here two times to select the voice, and you copy your text here and write something as you want and generate and download it. Okay, so then the gift that I want to share with you, it's this one. For example, you go to YouTube and you write this name this best sound effects. The links I will state it in the description, and we go to this website, to this video, and then we go to description, and we, as you see here, sound effects links. Here in Drive links, there is a lot of sound effects, a lot of. I think it's maybe it's repeated. For example, we have shot, but it's repeated by, but not same. I think it's 200 voice and like that. So the links you will also find it in the description, and you can download it and use it in your video editing. So this gift is that's one I want to show you. So I hope you find this video it's helpful and help you. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.